Good morning, everyone, and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin. Hope you're all doing very well as always. We're just, which is just absolutely crazy. All the lows and tops we're making here, our targets we have planned is just absolutely crazy. So yeah, really hope you're enjoying these updates, and really hope you're also enjoying the updates on the Discord server. Because yes, everything is planned on the Discord server. So if you want to join the Discord server, you can get some nice predictions and nice stuff really on Bitcoin, some nice TAs. You can just join the Discord server. You have everything, the link in the description, all the details. Really, it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything. And by the way, when I'm talking about this, there is also the giveaway that is ending today. Okay, they're just is it the right stuff, by the way? Yeah, so 13 hours left. Okay, so this is just absolutely nothing. It's running now for a month. So if you didn't take your chance yet, go and take your chance. It's absolutely free. It's again once more just to thank you for the 500 subscribers and even now the 1000 on the YouTube channel. So yeah, just go and take your chance. Really, you can win a one-to-one session. And yesterday I have done my first live trading session. So really go and check this out. You have a lot of insight on how to read, for example, an order flow live in the time really. And I'm going to be live again tomorrow for the next live trading session. But anyway, today, so let's update Bitcoin. So we're going as always here to update the levels. Okay, so this was the two targets I gave you yesterday night. We've got, as you can see here, during the night, the drop exactly into my first target and get a bounce here that brings us with more than a $100 move. That is, yeah, $200 move. So we got clearly here our take profit one already hit. You can move now with stop loss on 3. If we go more down and you just get stopped at really on 3, you just need to check if you can re-enter simply by reading the order flow. This is the only thing you have to do. Okay, are the data good? Yes. Okay, I'm taking again the long. Are the data not good? Okay, then I'm just waiting for the next target. Where is the next target? Bam, this second one right here. Okay, simple as that really. So let me just pull here the levels right there. So I'm just gonna start with the daily level as always. By the way, if you have any questions, do not hesitate. It's extremely important you understand everything, okay, in these updates. Not gonna add the daily. Oops, so let me see here. By the way, yeah, we've got, okay, that's because there is not the magnet. I was like, why it's not sticking to the candle. We got a weekly here also, but let me see here if that one is good now. Because if we come back up like this, I will prefer personally here to, yeah, I will prefer to go and take the highs, to be fairness with you. So I'm gonna look for we take the highs, not really a stop before now. Yeah, I'm gonna look for these highs to be taken. Okay, so no new daily in that case. No, so we can come back here on the 15 minutes. Let me just pull here this. So we have the naked session path control 27,470. Again, this is the zone I gave you yesterday. Okay, that's a reason why I gave you this really. Simply because we've got all the levels. You know, everything was planned here. You can see here was planned yesterday before we even get the drop. I was interested into a long only if we had to go here or here. Okay, so really join the Discord server. Everything is happening there, following the daily updates. So I said I completely forgot my. So it was 27,470. So 27,470, it's a bit below here. Okay, then we'll have a TPO 27,494. Oops, let's add a TPO here. 494. Good. Daily powerful trades already hit. You know what? I'm just going to keep this this level right here. There is a 50%, by the way. Okay, it's way too much. Okay, it's way too much again. All right, let's pull 350 or 20. Yeah, let's go with 20 for the moment. So the 50% here is the target. Again, that was the target here. Again, it's all about a zone. Okay, yesterday I was looking for the 50% plus the path control. You can see here the path control is hit to the dollar. Okay, that's pretty cool. Next target, so first, if we have to go more down, again, this is still a good target. Why? Because we still have the TPO that is untapped and the naked session path control is untapped. So we have two levels that are still not hit, and so to speak, we have to look here for a swing through pan or a failed auction. Swing through pan again for those. For people that are wondering what this is, we just take the low here, reclaim directly, we just leave this previous low right here, just with a wick here. Okay, such as for example, you know, here we have a low, we take, as you can see, here's the previous low, and we leave right here this low with just a wick below. Okay, that's a swing for the pan. Over here, for example, we have a low, we take that low, and we leave just this previous low with a wick. Okay, a failed auction is exactly what we've got yesterday. Okay, what I was looking, by the way, on Discord server. That's why, I mean, when I'm saying something generally speaking is because I'm there is a high probability of doing something here. For example, here coming through the range high, we have a possible swing through power fail auction. This is exactly where we find a stop and say absolutely nothing really in between, except you could take profit really, if I'm mistaken. Yeah, so, and yeah, you see, for example, here single print above us is filled. Okay, so it's filled. It means that there is, yeah, there's a possible trade of this really. So yeah, we've got that short trade. So after the long, by the way, hit to the absolute dollar. Look at this. This is just hit to the absolute dollar. This target was given, of course, way before that. If you would go and check here, I guess. I know it was the one before. That was here. Okay, you can see that target was planned already when it was on the top. Okay, it was on the top. We planned already the bond we have done right now to the absolute dollar. This is just absolutely crazy, and everything is for free on the Discord server. This is just absolutely crazy. So yeah, you've got this very, very, very nice. So we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5 with the current trade we've got. 5 winning trade, 1 losing. Again, this one could be a win if you waited a bit for low here. You've got the random move. It depends really. But yeah, so. This is insane, really. What can I say? This is just absolutely crazy. But yeah, so anyway, first target here. Okay, so first here, yeah, but I wanted to show you the swing the fail auction first of all. So yeah, swing third pan, you know, we just leave the price high with a wick. Okay, so we've got the swing third pan here. You can see it was above, bam, we close below. As I say, I'm not going to jump it like this because that was a trade to take directly on the direction. You have to bet on a very aggressive entry for a swing third pan fail auction. And so the failed auction, we just get acceptance above, spend some more time, and from here retrace. Okay, you see, we spend some more time. Link is increasing a bit. Don't forget to take profit on the show, by the way, on link. But yeah, so you just go higher. Okay, go take the high, spend some time, form something bearish and retrace and get a bit of a pullback or a continuation really. Okay, it depends. But as you know, I'm looking for a new high to be made here. Maybe not directly, we can make a new low before to make a new high. That would be really cool, by the way. So I can jump in a long again. So that would be nice. But anyway, so yeah. This is a swing third pan or a fail auction. If there is no swing third pan here or fail auction on the 50% retracement or you know the TPO, we're simply going to look back here for the daily and the key level. If we start breaking this, we're simply going to look for a new low to be made, and if we start breaking this, the low here with no swing third pan or fail auction, I'm really looking for a new low to be made here. Okay, I'm going to expect a new low to be made. We're going to talk about the wave next, something very interesting. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at really here. The two main targets for a long are this, and if we start breaking this, I'm more likely looking for a new low to be made. Okay, and again here we'll see, do we have the good data such as here on the order flow? Yes, no. Okay, we're just looking in that case for a real bigger drop. Again, it's all of this. Okay, we'll have to be aware for a long. If we start breaking this, all of this below, so from the low here down to the daily. Okay, if there is nothing in here good for a long, if this is not bullish, we're simply going to see a large drop into here, this bigger area of support, so to speak. Here we have, if I go on a bit of a on another chart where you can see on these bigger time frame levels. So you have the weekly negative path control plus weekly. If we start breaking this, we'll have the triple low before, okay, right, just below here. To be aware, if we can do just a big swing through pan here, take all the stop loss, get a bounce into the monthly, by the way, in the weekly plus a month negative path control. So very, 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 very good target to be aware of, okay. And if we start breaking this, we have simply no real big support below. So if we start to speak here, getting acceptance below this week right here, okay, if we start get acceptance below here, we'll have a single print from here down to here. Okay, so if we get acceptance here below that level, we're just going to go and get a quick move to the, we're just going to feel the single print and so go to the bottom of this right here. Okay, and so from here I do have some small support. We'll need to be there, not even the time to see what is the reaction, but I will expect for now more likely to go and take out these lows. And if we really don't swing through power fail auction, we're more likely going to go towards this bigger wick below here. Okay, and again here to the upside, gonna go to a smaller time frame chart here. So we have, first of all, if we start reclaiming here, okay, get nothing bearish off the top right here, we take the high. Okay, we really take this high here with no swing through power fail auction here. We simply look back for the tops right here. Okay, we're going to look for all these highs here to be taken. Okay, again, we cannot take this last one. We have to look first of all for these two highs, so to speak. We get this and we get a large drop, for example, or a pullback. It depends, you know, if this was an ABC or an impulsive, what I've planned yesterday with on the Discord server when you talk about the wave next. But yeah, we can get something like this, for example, here, get a nice short trade. If we manage to go that high, for example, Okay, so get this nice short, reverse that next. We can get, for example, a bit higher. So to speak here, take these highs plus the high above here. Okay, and so in that case we get the short trade a bit higher. Again, if there is nothing here for a short, there is nothing here for a short. Okay, we just look for, in that case, you know, the impulsive to the upside, and so we look for the 3, 4, 5. Okay, simple as that really. The only thing you need to do into these targets is to read the order flow. If you read the order flow into these targets, you're good. Okay, you're good, you're very good, and you can make your decisions if you have or not to take the trade. So how I'm going to trade the market today. Okay, it depends if we go that high or not. It was always gonna be tomorrow really. But yeah. Sorry, so this was the plan to the downside, a bit to the upside. Now, if we start really to push higher than this, if we start really breaking these highs here, we are more likely going to get a continuation if there is no swing through power fail action in this. So we are simply going to look here for the top here to be taken. Again, swing. I am not connected anymore to the stream. Alright, I'm back. Let me check the stream really quick. Alright, yeah, I'm back. Nice. Don't know what happened. I lost my connection. Anyway, so I was saying here, yeah, if we take the high, swing through pound fail auction, if there is nothing, we look for this one here again, swing through pound fail auction. Okay, this is typical when you have to take a high. I mean, when we take a high, when you take a low, swing through pound fail auction. Always, all the time, because we can't absolutely love to do this. But anyway, there is nothing when we take this high. We simply have to look for the next targets. We have planned, so to speak, here weekly with around 23, and if we start breaking this, we can simply look for the next target here, 1618, with a monthly path control, sorry, here monthly, weekly, and value level. Okay, I'm not gonna go hard on this. It's not really useful for the moment. And yeah, this is a plan rate with the levels. Okay, so really hope that makes sense. So to speak, to make it very clear, you have this long trade. Okay, possible. Right there. If we start breaking this, so to speak, you go directly, or maybe wait one more new high, I don't know, it depends. Go below here, take the lows, get a bounce, and look for a new high. Okay, you can still take profit earlier than this, of course, it depends. If we start getting nothing in there, we simply look for the next target. So we get a retest here of the daily down to the value, that is a value level here, the key level, by the way. So you look for a larger move to the downside here, and you look for this target there. Okay, you look for bam, the pushback again, and if again we get nothing good on the order flow in here, okay, we just have to look for the next target. So again, we can look for another swing for power solution, but I would prefer here, to be honest with you, to go and look for the lows here. And again here, not saying again like you have to long here, again I'm placing these longs, but you have to understand that it's just I'm showing you a zone, you have to look for longs and shorts. Okay, so here for a long you have to look for another swing through power auction down to the daily. If there is nothing in here, then we'll have no reason to long, and so we just look for a large drop for this right here, weekly negative path control here, all this zone right there. Okay, minimum, then triple lows with a monthly and the weekly below. Hope that makes sense. For a short, I would be careful shorting this. Okay, I will be a bit careful shorting this, to be fair. It's possible, absolutely possible to get something here. I'm going to look for a short, but I'm a bit careful, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, yeah, this is still only have to look for a short. Okay, we just, for example, here, you know, from here, maybe take the low first and then go for a short, I don't know, or get directly here, you know, get a 5-way 1, 2, 3, or 5, in that case ABC, and bam, get the drop. Or that will be for a bigger wave 1, 2, and bam, continuation high, but we will still get that nice swing through pound. So here, in any case, so swing through pound fail in this. Okay, if there is nothing here, we can simply look for the high right here, as I said earlier. Okay, so we can look for bam. Oops, this high is right there. Okay, so we stop some shorts, we get a continuation, we stop some shorts here. Okay, and we get a drop. Okay, or a nice pullback here. Or even, for example, if we do this, that is still a very good short trade for a day trader. Even if we do this next, for example, okay, it's absolutely fine. If we start getting nothing when we take these highs, we simply look for a continuation, take the next highs here. In that case, bam, look for this kind of short trade, and yeah, look for this nice pullback here. Okay, and if we get nothing in here, then we're more likely going to look for this new high here to be made. Okay, so yeah, hope that makes sense. Really, this is my plan on Bitcoin right now, and now we can move on the waves. So the waves here, let me just pull this here. Again, I'm not going to repeat myself, I think, on the medium time frame, bigger time frame waves. Okay, we have two different configurations. Gonna go, by the way, on the Discord server, gonna be much more easier for me. So you have this first configuration. Okay, you have everything on the Discord server. So you have this one right here, this first configuration, and this second configuration here. Two different configurations. This is what the first I'm taking, and this is the second one. Okay, first one is an ABC flat into that Z wave. Second one is the Z wave is already done. In that case, we look for, if we break the B wave targets here, the one in 23 and 27, already get some kind of close above. I'm looking in that case for this WXY into a bigger WX wave and then a Y leg to the downside. Okay, so I'm simply looking for a bigger WXY and not this ABC flat into this Z wave. And again, if we start breaking this X wave, if we start breaking with the X wave the W root, we look for an ABC fly, a bigger one. Okay, and if we start breaking again this B wave turrets, we're going to update everything. I'm gonna let you know, but we already plan everything. I just don't want to give you too much different configuration. This is not at all the goal, so you are lost. Okay, so in any case, ABC flats. So here we'll have a possible WXY done, and if we start making a new high, in that case that's a WXY with an ABC zigzag in the last the Y leg. Okay, so what we'll have planned some daily updates last week if I'm mistaken. So to speak, first configuration is this. Okay, so we'll have this WXY into this if we have to make one more push to the upside. Okay, WXY, we look for a continuation here a bit above into the 120-127 for the B wave here. Okay, and so in that case we look for these 5 waves, correction already done, 5 waves. I'm going to explain myself on why this is possibly already done. We can still drop more, it is normally more probable, but these days we like to do some less probable moves. Wait, just 2 seconds please. Alright, sorry. Okay, so anyway, gonna focus on this next. I want to talk about the medium time frame first so you can really understand. So yeah, WXY here with an ABC zigzag. So we look for that B wave. In that case, if we have to make the last push to the upside here, we look for that B wave here. Okay, and so this is a 5 waves correction, 5 waves. We'll have to look for a 5 waves impulsive here ending to the upside. Now, if we start breaking this B wave 123, 127, we simply look for this, as I said, bigger. So right here, so we look for this Z wave to be done in that case. Okay, we look for this WXY to the upside, but not for this WXY right here into the B wave of the flat. We look for this for a bigger continuation, go a lot higher. In that case, we look for a next wave. Again, we can make this X wave longer with by making it bigger. For example, WXY here, it is absolutely something possible. Okay, for example, make this and then bam. By the way, maybe not. Yeah, it's possible, and then get the Y leg to the downside. It's possible to make such configuration even more complex. I mean, even bigger, really not more complex, just a bigger WXY. But yeah, so this is a plan really, and now yeah, on a smaller time frame, I will be aware of this. Right here, yeah, by the way. So what we can look for here, there's a wave I have planned on the YouTube channel yesterday, 2 days ago, it was on Sunday. I've done an update. This will have 80% chance to drop. Well, a lot more chance to drop than to get a rise from here, and so we've got the drop, right? So it's all about probabilities. If you don't understand the wave probabilities, just go and check this out and watch at this. You have everything for absolutely free, all this insight and this experience really for you, waiting for you. So go and watch this update really. But yeah, so 5 waves here, correction. We already have another 5 wave down. Okay, possibly. I really don't like this ending shape here, to be fair. I really don't like it. But the thing is, right now with the smaller wave, it just doesn't make sense really to get another drop directly here. We will need in that case a bigger rise to make in more opinion. Again, the waves here, I will be really careful with the wave these days, simply because the smaller waves are a bit weird still. Yes, we've got that right, okay, but really be careful. We also got that right here, okay, but really be careful with the smaller waves. The smaller waves are really not following so much these days, okay, and so what I'm looking for still right now, more likely with the waves, it's simply, so that's why I'm looking, for a short if we go high here, because we can make a bigger 1, 2, and bam, 3, 4, 5 continuation. Okay, this is something absolutely possible. So to make the C, or to make the bigger where it is, so right there, oops, or to make this kind of bigger wave 1. We have planned wave why there is, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this kind of bigger wave we have planned on Sunday, so bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. That's why I'm looking for a possible short here. If we take the high, simply to look for this possible configuration down. In that case, that will be a leading here for a bigger drop, for a C wave, or for a wave 3 or 5 impulsive to the downside, in the big C wave of the ABC flat. Again, if you don't get what I mean, do not hesitate to ask some questions. But yeah, and now the thing is, if we get no reason to short on this way up here or on this way up, then we are more likely going to look for a continuation. And so in that case, this ABC zigzag here to be done and completed. Okay, this is done. Again, I know that we have a triple bottom here. Okay, on Bybit we have a double bottom. On Coinbase here, and most of the exchange will have a triple low, so we normally should go and take out these lows. But again, don't forget this, we have a low, high low, high low, and we never took these lows. Okay, so really be aware of that. We can absolutely leave this right here for later when we're going to come back later. Okay, it's absolutely something possible, because the thing is, everyone is looking for these lows, so we do not go there. Everyone is looking for these lows, is looking for low here to buy, because that's a target that everyone, where everyone find a confidence. So of course we never go here, and we just either go through or just go get a big front run, leave these three triple lows and leave them for later. So we get the rise, and now we make everyone bullish, and from here we go back down and we take all the stop loss, and from here we make them bearish. We get a bit of a continuation, or we get no, so we either get a pullback in that case from here, or we just get a continuation. We get next some people bearish, and we get a reversal. Okay, not necessarily reversal to make a new high, a reversal, a bit of a retracement before we go more down, for example. But yeah, so really be careful these days. It's not because we have a triple low that are not taken, okay, that we are going to take them. Not necessary. So if you want to wait for a long, I will take the long before that. I'm not saying you have to long now. It's way too late. Even if we do this, I will not long here. Why? Because we're into a resistance now. I will long here on the retracement, but not on this. Wait for the, not at the current price, wait for the trade to come to you. But anyway, on this being said, there is nothing more really to add, so I think that we're good really for today. No news today, news tomorrow live training. By the way, today I'm going to do a NATS update and a Bitcoin update also, so you can really get all the waves updated here. And yeah, so I think that's it really. Let me know really if you have some questions, otherwise we're good. I'm just thinking really quick, but yeah, normally we're good. I said everything I wanted to say. Yeah, again, once more, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notification. Thank you so much if you take the time to do it. It's a big reward of my work really. It's just the way you can show us, you can show me some support really. And yeah, don't forget that there is a giveaway. Not so many time left, as you can see here. It's gonna end tonight, so really go and take your chance. And also, by the way, don't forget please to verify your email. This is extremely important. If you don't verify your email, you will not be able to be in the possible winners, in the win list really. You don't get your chance to win. Okay, so if you you entered the giveaway without a verification of your email, you are not going to be able to win one of the 3 prizes. So really make sure to go in your spam or whatever, I don't know where it is in your mailbox, and click the link into the mail to verify your email, otherwise you won't be able to win. I saw some people that are not still unverified, so really make sure to verify your account, otherwise, I'm saying that for you, it's absolutely it's for you, if you want to get a chance to win, you have to verify your email. It's just a security procedure really on our side. But yeah, so anyway, that's it really. We are taking the high, I suppose. Yes, we are taking the high. So let me see here. Oh, by the way, I completely forgot to read the order flow before the end. Gonna check this really quick here. So we are taking the high. Oh, what the fuck is this? Look at that. We have like 10 millions of new longs opening here. All right, so here, where is this? We are in that case, if we get again the data to reverse down, okay, because again it can be very good if we get a continuation here. In that case, just people buying, no absorption, it's just gonna push high. If there are buyers, there are buyers. But if this is getting absorbed, for now no, but on a low time frame you have to check that. Then we can look for this possible A, B, C, okay, and a reversal. What we have planned yesterday, going to the 50% here, get a B, get a C here to the upside, and bam, get the reversal. Okay, so it depends what we are going to get here. And yeah, I wanted to show, I wanted to say we can be in a wave like this, like a leading 1, 2, 3. Oh, we did not take the highs on Coinbase. Okay, so it's not really valid yet. We need to take the highs here. So wave 1, we need, no, it's not really we need, because we can, for example, finish with a truncated C. Okay, it's possible. But yeah, come on, take the highs on Coinbase too, that would be cool. So A, B, C. I wanted to show you the possible, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we have a leading or an ending by the way in the wave 3, that is not possible. So normally we should not be in this. And that's why that's a wave 1 2 1 2, but again this will be some wave 1 2 1 2 with some triple wave. Again, we're doing this these days. This is recreate. If you check, for example, as on storage, I think, yeah, this was that coin. We've got at the very beginning of the impulse, we've got some triple wave in the wave 1, in the wave 1 2 1 2. I was like, okay, nice. But anyway, so yeah, just really order thing here. We've got so many longs and some few liquidations here too. I mean, why the fuck people longing here? I just still can't get it. Why? Why are you longing the breakout? I mean, that's cool, you know, these give us some money, so that's pretty nice, but yeah, if you're a breakout trader, really stop doing this, because if you run some statistics on this, you're going to see by yourself that, or just test it with your account if you want to, but you're going to see by yourself that you're losing a lot more money than you're winning some. Because making money is, as always, taking the other's money. So if you see a lot of people longing at some place, you're going to maybe get a bit of a continuation, but you're going to take out this stop loss next, or going to the liquidation next. So yeah, just for your information, for the moment it's not bearish, so you look for a, again, we have a crazy amount of people looking here. I mean, this is fine for the moment, but almost 1 million still. So you look first, when it's not bearish, for a retest. First the retest, you look what is happening there. If we start to get a bit of a pullback, see what data we have. See, we have a lot of longs and we're moving down now. We still have to get some more data to confirm that, but yeah, so here you look for a retest. If there is nothing good in the retest, you look for a swing through power of the high. If there is nothing here, you look for a continuation into the next target. Simple as that. This is a process really you have to look for right now in the lower time frame. If you don't understand this order flow, you have a full course on the website waiting for you in the course section. I'm not looking on this account, but you have in the course section, Exo charts, you have a full course waiting for you on this. And yeah, you can just go into plan section really if you want to check this out. But yeah, on this being said, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy these updates, and hope you also enjoy the updates on the Discord server. And on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care, and I catch you all today in some other updates. Have a nice day. Take care. Cheers.